Hello, in front of me I've got CARPURIDE, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay tab. In this video I'll show you how to connect your iPhone with the Apple CarPlay via wire. In the beginning, let's connect the cable to the tab. And now plug it to your iPhone. Allow. Enable wireless CarPlay. And now you can use your Apple CarPlay on the tab. As you can see, you can also charge your smartphone, make phone calls, use Apple Maps, and many other apps like YouTube, WhatsApp, Spotify, Google Maps, Skype. Also, you can go to settings and use Siri. To turn off Apple CarPlay, select Car Home. And that's basically it. If you want to turn it on back, select iPlay. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.